India played so well. India played so well in the Olympiad. They won first place. We defeated China. India sanitized China. So उस चीज़ का celebration. Second thing दोस्तों, we are having a very good team of mods जो अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं. And we have some pro mods. So ये pro mods क्या है दोस्तों? जो स्क्रीन के पीछे रह के सब कुछ स्ट्रीम का ध्यान रखते हैं. दे मेक अ गुड स्ट्रीम, लाइक चैट टीम रखते हैं, कुछ थंबनेल्स बनाते हैं, पोस्टर बना रहे हैं, सैनिटाइज एंड अदर हेल्प्स लाइक हाइलाइट्स बना रहे हैं. एंड यू नो दे आर वर्किंग हार्ड. सो दिस आर द गाइज जो आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं. वी हैव ओपनिंग ऑन द बोर्ड. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ है, सिसिलियन हुआ है. हाइपर एक्सेलरेटेड ड्रैगन वाज प्लेड बाय अमे कानेटकर, द ब्रेकिंग न्यूज एक्सपर्ट. And Viraj has opted for the Fisher's variation against Dragon.
We can hear your commentary.
Okay, thank you.
Or there is rook d8, and rook e5.
Yeah, Amin needs to play first. I think that's his only hope.
Five was not good.
Yep, now everything is hanging.
Now maybe just b4, b5, b6. I mean whatever.
When Tasin will play those the winner of the mod tournament. Guys, 4-player chess is also incoming. 4-player chess भी हम खेलने वाले हैं.
Yeah, it's really interesting. I mean 4-player chess.
Yes.
Oh no, Viraj only has 20 seconds. So let's see.
Viraj is down to 20 seconds. He's playing very but positional. He's slowly improving his position. Rook d6 खेला गया. a5.
And now
rook
rook d6 will come after
Yep.
rook h6.
Okay, I understood that. He played rook d5.
And rook d6 check and b4.
b4. Yep. Looks like completely lost, but he's fighting. Oh no! Viraj down to 15 seconds. He's like, you don't give me check, I just want to hide here.
नहीं.
Maybe this g5 f5 can be a problem. Because
Maybe he will play h3 and king h2 even.
Okay, let's see if we can checkmate him.
Maybe g5 now.
Okay. Tasin, get ready. You have to play against Viraj with 2 minutes timeout.
Okay, so what will be the time control?
We will have same 3+2, but you will play with only one minute remaining. And if you come below,
Okay, no increment.
We will keep increment. But if you come below 1 minute, it will be a point for Viraj.
I missed the tactic, right? With bishop, I think f7.
Yes, you had so many tactics and okay, so many. It's like blunderfest though. So, but it was a nice game. It was a nice game. You played with technique. You slowly tried to convert, and it was a nice game indeed. Ame well played. You also fought well. You fought until the end. So Viraj is definitely higher rated player, and he practices every day. So, but okay, it's also important that you execute it well. So congrats to Viraj. How are you feeling right now?
I'm really, to be honest, because I seem to get into time trouble, and that is something I really don't face every day because I play pretty fast,
Mm-hmm.
So it was a new experience for me getting into time trouble that often.
ओके, अमे काय वाटतं, काय झालं गेम मध्ये, कसा झाला गेम? मराठीत बोला, काय नाही, मजा येईल एकदम, काहीतरी ठळक बोला एकदम असं.
क्या मजा है, धमाल.
Yeah, दोस्तों, he is the one who writes all breaking news in Marathi, working behind the scenes and making stream more interesting with new breaking news in Marathi. So he's Ame Kanetkar. And Viraj, abhi I'm gonna make your life little difficult, through trouble, because you're gonna play Tasin, Candidate Master.
I have also one good news for you.
Yes.
He will play with timeouts. He will play with 1 minute and you will play with 3 minutes.
So you have a good chance.
Without increment?
Guys, tell me, with or without increment? Okay, whatever chat says, we'll accept it.
.com 1800 is so much, means very good.
He's a strong player. That's why we are giving him a Candidate Master as opponent. Okay. So game started or not? Yeah, game started, dosto. Game started.
Yeah.
So Extreme Learner will make a move only when it will be like 1 minute, and then we will have a very interesting game. And it's Karogan.
Yeah.
Extreme Learner dedicating this opening to me. They went into advanced variation of Karogan, e5, bishop f5, and Extreme Learner is bulleting out things. Maybe he wants to play this. Okay, let's see. He played, but I don't know. I don't like he kept knight on knight here. Viraj playing quite fast. His only aim is to flag him.
We can say pre-moves are the key to success.
Viraj, okay, so Rohan is saying do some pre-move, take advantage of his pre-moves, and you can win some material. Let's see. Knight c4 is played. Take. This is going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting. Come on, he finally managed to develop his knight because he developed his bishop to b2. Rook c3, maybe castle will come. Knight f5, he's going for something like this. Weakness. He might play a4 because this is weak. Let's see. Now Viraj is thinking for the first time. अब्दुल कादिर वालेकुम अस्सलाम. विराज ट्राई हार्ड, बिल्कुल मनीष वो ट्राई करेंगे. एक्सट्रीम रनर रियल नेम तहसीन, ही इज अ कैंडिडेट मास्टर.
I think White should plan to play a bit fast. That will put a pressure on the opponent.
Yep.
And the time is less, so
Thank you Manish, yesterday's game was awesome. It was I think the fastest game I have played. 4.5 seconds and I checkmated my opponent in 20 and I played 20 moves. Cannot believe it. Still now. Okay, g4. Someone offered a draw. No, it's not this game. Okay, it's different game. Okay. Knight h4, bishop into h4. It's a quite interesting position. दोस्तों अभी भी मटेरियल इक्वल है. आप देखेंगे वेल बार भी not dancing much. He wants to play f4.
yeah.
Okay, I'm not sure about this bishop now. Bishop will be quarantined after f4.
Yeah, f4 will be.
But he was not so sure. Hitman क्या लगता है?
F4 queen h6 was a good plan, I think.
ब्लैक का पोजीशन सही लग रहा है.
Hitman is saying black का पोजीशन सही लग रहा है.
कौन से देखो.
Exactly. देखो दोस्तों, उनका केवल रेटिंग 800 है, लेकिन उन्होंने कितना डीप बात कही है. पहुंच चुके हो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ब्लैक का. And definitely that is the reason why black's position is better. But now Viraj is going insane.
After bishop d2, f4 and queen h6 was a good plan because f6 was controlled, so queen was not coming to defend.
Bishop cap.
Okay guys, and now let me do it. I will do it. It's less than 25 seconds. And now this endgame can be a draw. So he's playing a5. He's taking his chances. It's going to be insane. I'm promising you, it's going to be insane game. He might push this. He might take b into a5 and push the pawn. Queen f2 was played. King g2. ab4. Okay. So 20 seconds for Tahsin. Come on Viraj, this is your chance.
For stopping queen a3.
Queens got exchanged. And he found a tactic, but okay, play bishop b2. It's not over. Bring your king. It's not over yet. Okay, play king g2. Okay, Viraj is fighting. h6 was played. He blundered a pawn. But it can be anyone's game. 15 seconds versus 10 seconds. Very intense game. Very close game.
This is.
Come on, king h5, it's a draw. Okay, he missed it. Okay, now I think it should be extreme blunder because he's very good in bullet. I mean, he can flag, I think. Okay, but very close and intense game, I would say. And bishop a1 dosto king b1. Oops.
Yeah. Oh, amazing. Intense.
Okay, very nice game, I would say. Very well fought, Viraj. You brought candidate master to 5 seconds. Away for 4-player chess lobby.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, Hitman क्या लगता है 4-player chess के बारे में?
मैंने देखा है वैसे.
So दोस्तों, maximum of the mods have seen what is 4-player chess, but they never played. दोस्तों ये 5 लोग खेल रहे हैं 4-player chess टीम बनाकर.
मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. मेरे को पता था क्वीन बनता है, मैंने बना लिया. क्वीन को बचा लूंगा आराम से.
रोहन कुमार राजू is ready with the plan. Others are still समझ रहे कि बोर्ड क्या हो रहा है. दोस्तों it's काफी insane. Someone is making arrow. Extreme learner is making arrows. So guys मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, आप सबको एक्सट्रीम लर्नर ने हराया राइट. अंत में आप सब लोग पहले टीम बना के एक्सट्रीम लर्नर को बाहर निकाले.
हाँ चलो लेट्स अटैक गाइस.
यार ऐसे गेम में चीटिंग होगी ना तो मैं नहीं खेलूंगा. मैं जा रहा हूँ. इंसाफ होगा.
अबे
We can't do that. Everyone has to attack him and it's a good one.
हमें स्टार्ट कर अटैक करायला. तू सगळ्यात भाव आहेस तू आणि रोहन.
दोस्तों मराठी में बोलना शुरू हो गया ताकि उसको कुछ समझे नहीं. ऑलरेडी पॉलिटिक्स हैज
I can
स्टार्टेड.
understand.
ओके सो किसकी किसकी टीम बनी अभी तक? लेट मी टेल, बताओ मुझे टीम क्या है?
Okay, I went for Rohan.
Okay, Extreme Learner is going for the Rohan. Open challenge to Rohan because he made a plan to beat him first, so he went for Rohan. And lots of interesting things are going on.
मेरा लक्षात ठेवा मी तुझा बिशप नाही घेतला. I have not taken your bishop, even though your bishop is more valuable than the knight.
Okay, okay.
Nice video. 3 point हो गए.
So Viraj is asking help from Ame.
ऐसे होते हैं ना.
They are teamed up already.
गलती की तुमने, अकेले ने क्वीन बनाई तुमने. नो वन
कोई बात नहीं. अरे यार एक और पॉइंट तो बताओ.
मैं मित्र सांगतो मित्र हेल्प करू शकतो मला क्वीन बनवले. यू आर ओनली वन.
I think B4 I think the coordinates of
Amaya,
chess.
बोल
Amaya,
भाई.
can we make Extreme Learner? Can we?
Yes, go for it. Go for it.
Viraj, you are in
Okay.
check, my friend. How you will checkmate Extreme Learner?
Amaya, just don't take my queen. I have mating attack on me.
Guys, Ame, if you don't take Viraj queen, Viraj will beat you once again. He defeated you in final. Don't forget.
I won't. See, who would you prefer as your opponent? Extreme Learner or me? Good boy. Well done.
So Extreme Learner gets betrayed here.
Yeah, perfect. Rohan, take your bishop. Happy, Rohan? Now what? Ame, now look. Viraj is having the maximum material. You need to betray him, otherwise he will win. Ame, you have betrayed me once already. You want to do that again? Ame, show your true color.
It is not my move.
It's your move. You're getting flagged.
Play fast.
Okay, 1 second. He's gone.
No, it is not my move. I have moved. It is showing Viraj move in my list.
दोस्तों internet OP. Viraj,
Yes, हो गए भाई.
which internet you are having, Rohan?
Sir, GTPL.
Okay, write that in chat. People will do OP.
Yeah, see, I have time.
And guys, Viraj made a century. He won.
Yeah.
Connecting? Oh no. It is showing connecting to me.
And Ame, I told you,
Yeah,
if you team up with Viraj, you will finish last.
Amaya betrayed me first.
Okay, well done, Viraj. Well done. You completely
No,
have
No, it's
experience.
my move. Why I am unable to
फिर भी
play?
फर्स्ट आया ना भाई. लास्ट से फर्स्ट आया ना. वो भी अच्छा है. फर्स्ट आया. फिर भी करके.
Yeah, I am unable.
Okay, guys. Okay, well done.
मगर भाई आपने बहुत हिम्मत किया, spice up किया आपने. That was cool.
Sorry. What?
You spiced it up very well. Like I say, you could see when I was going for which opponent, and then
Yeah.
that made my task a bit difficult.
Okay,
But
but
the game is over.
yep. You are
Yes,
lost,
I won.
Rohan, already.
Yes, I won.
Why it is not? Okay, let me refresh.
That was tough.
So what is the position?
Okay, there is a new comment. Creative Roban Singh, Nuber play with Viraj, show him betrays.
Who has lost? Who has won? What is the standing? Okay, I have
You
lost.
can see on YouTube.
Oh, I am second. Okay.
You are happy with second, but I have taught you to come first, no?
Yeah, actually in last otherwise I was going to give check. I was going to take his pawn also, but no problem.
चलो कोई बात नहीं दोस्तों, it was a
Internet OP.
wonderful tournament. Yeah,
Internet OP.
internet OP.
कुछ नहीं. BSN ओके. कैट में BSN ओके कर. बस. और कुछ नहीं.
No, mine is not BSM.
But BSNL is famous.
Yeah.
Okay दोस्तों, so 170 likes and दोस्तों once again let me tell you, this celebration stream was for so many things. First of all, India winning the Pool A, defeating China and making into the quarterfinals directly, and we reached 2K subs for that as well, and also so much love from you guys, and also we'll have a subscribers tournament after the Olympiad. Okay guys, thank you everyone for joining.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
For anything.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye everyone, take care.